Opposition leader Nelson Chamisa has hinted that his much anticipated political initiative will take the form of a citizen movement, rebuffing growing criticism from analysts and former allies urging him to establish a formal political party ahead of the 2028 elections. Salapena mashoko kuda panguva ino Chamisa achidefenda his new movement plan. Panguva ino panonzi macritics aiwa anouya panguva ino achimuti ita maformal party structure. Izvo zvinonyatsozvikanwa kunzi anenge anyatsokupa a gateway aiwa kune Zanu nevanhu vanomudzikisira pasi. Ndobva subscribe like on the bell icon. Tipi namba naomo mudanyika muchinzi posting on X formerly Twitter on Sunday morning. Chamisa wrote, a citizen movement is a citizen consensus. Blessed Sunday. The brief but loaded statement appears to be a direct response to critics like political analyst and former MDCT Director of Information, Dr. Pedzisai Ruhanya, who recently warned against the idea of another informal structure. Ruhanya and others argue that a loosely organized movement may fail to challenge ZANU-PF effectively in the national elections and risks repeating the same mistakes that plagued Chamisa's previous project, the Citizen Coalition for Change (CCC). However, analysts are divided. While some applauded Chamisa's effort to foster a bottom-up approach that resonates with the disillusioned voters, others fear that the absence of formal structure may lead to disorganization and legal vulnerabilities, issues that plagued CCC's participation in the 2023 elections. Zimbabwe needs an organized, rules-based democratic force, not another fluid movement without clarity or internal democracy, Dr. Ruhanya said in a recent public forum. Ndomashoko ari kubuda panguva ino after Nelson Chamisa auya akati aiwa isusu we are coming up for a citizen movement inoonekwa kunzi it is a citizen consensus. Tudze mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechiitiko ichi, Nelson Chamisa achihinta on his comeback. Pinai comment section medu mutidze mafungiro enyu. Musana subscribe or like pamwe chete on the bell icon.